So I got a floppy from the bunker, of course. Didn't find it, not in a raid or something like that. I only had to kill like 5 zombies to get it because I was very close to get one either way. So Jesus, I so want to get another toxic, no, another infected. Probably my gas will, yep. Now I'm running down. Okay, I have all the stuff, good. Let's see. Oh my god, I got a puppy. Oh, hello. Hi. I got a puppy. Yay. Okay, normal one. But just kill them just to make sure I don't have any surprises. That's a big one. Well, not the literally big one. It's a toxic. Come on, die. Thank you. Can't have something really good, right? No. Okay, nothing else, right? You, let's kill you. Nothing. So let's go to the box. Hello, dear. Okay. Well, holy shit. Oh god, 2C4, CC, VSS, Python, M, an entire close. Nice. Okay, let's take this because I know I can take. Do I have it? I can't remember if I have it. No, I don't have it. It's cool. Let's take all. Let's put you in here, you're in here, you're in here. We cleared an entire row. Take all, and that's it. Not shabby. Not too shabby. I got like 7 engine parts in the last day or two from red crates and raids and stuff like that. Puppy. I got a puppy. Okay. So that's it, guys. That was, I think, floppy number 9. Yeah. Last one was 8, my lucky number. See you guys next time. Have a good night.